All right, let me guess, you're sending emails, you're getting some opens, maybe even a couple clicks, but it still feels like you're just blasting messages into the void, right? What if I told you that most of your list shouldn't even be receiving your emails in the first place? With the right Klaviyo segment strategies, you can finally stop treating your subscribers like a faceless crowd and start speaking directly to the right people at the right time. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 most powerful Klaviyo segmentation strategies that will transform your email campaigns from meh to money-making machines. First up, we have behavioral segmentation. Instead of just looking at who's on your list, we're going to focus on what they're actually doing. In Klaviyo, you can create segments for users who viewed products but didn't buy, and even send them a personalized follow-up email, maybe a limited time discount, a customer review for social proof, or even just a friendly nudge. Think of this like if someone walked into your store, picked up a product, and then put it back on the shelf. You wouldn't just ignore them, right? You'd start a conversation. That's exactly what we're doing here. Next, we're segmenting based on purchase history. This is a goldmine if you know how to use it right. Let's say someone just bought a pair of running shoes. Instead of blasting them with random emails, you can strategically segment them and send an offer for matching running socks or a waterproof shoe spray. This isn't just about making another sale, guys. It's about providing real value to the customer with relevant offers, products, and promotions that they're most interested in. Now, let's talk about engagement, because let's be honest, not everyone on your list is equally interested in your emails. With engagement-based segmentation, we can easily separate the VIPs, the people who open and click often, from the ghosts who never engage with you in the first place. Why does this even matter? Because you don't want to waste prime email real estate on people who don't care in the first place. Instead, send your best content and offers to your engaged subscribers and re-engagement campaigns to your inactive ones. Now, this one is next level: predictive analytics segmentation. This is where Klaviyo's AI is going to tell you who's likely to buy next or who's about to ghost your brand. You can build segments based on predictive next order date or set up automated emails that land right when they're most likely to buy again. It's basically like reading their minds. And for those that are slipping away, a well-timed win-back campaign can win them back before they disappear for good. All right, let's wrap this up. If you're still sending one-size-fits-all emails, you're leaving money on the table. Start using these advanced Klaviyo segmentation strategies and watch your revenue take off. If you like what you heard in this video today and you want to work with me and my team on growing your Klaviyo account, then you need to take advantage of this offer I'm about to present to you right now. My team and I are going to audit your whole Klaviyo ecosystem. It's a 28-point retention marketing brand audit that we've been doing for years now. We've been a Klaviyo partner for 9 years, and we've seen hundreds of accounts for brands doing anywhere from mid-6 figures all the way up to 8-9 figures in e-commerce revenue. And today, I want to offer you that audit absolutely for free. We usually charge $4K for that audit, but because you're listening to this video, click the link below and start the audit kickoff process. You're going to get a lot of value out of this audit. I'm going to also post another video that breaks down what the audit is and how you can take advantage of it. We only have room for a couple free ones a month. I would love to give you our feedback. And at the end of this audit presentation, we'll have a couple slides that'll say how we can work together if it's something you might be interested in. Like I said, no strings attached. This is free to you, and I want to help you. I want my team to help you, and we want to see that you are as successful as you can be within the Klaviyo ecosystem. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below on which segmentation strategy you're going to try out first. And of course, hit that like button and subscribe for more advanced e-commerce marketing tips. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.